Castellum.AI's audit trail enables users to maintain regulator-friendly records of their watchlist screening activity and result dispositions. Once a user submits a workflow, either by classifying a result as true positive, false positive, need more information, or no matches, this record and the accompanying details are saved as an audit record. This is true whether a workflow is submitted as part of an advanced search, batch screening, or scheduled screening. To view audit trail records, select the Audit tab. Within the Audit Trail page, you can review results of screened names, ID, and addresses. Open a record to see how results were dispositioned. Finally, audit trail records can be searched by name or date submitted. Try Castellum.AI's audit trail feature today.